You open your mouth now. Please, oh my God.
Are you true?
Obino.
Yeah, what?
Obino, if you don't change this attitude of yours, I'll...
You will report me to your father. Right? You report me to your father like you always done. Be my guest. Kenny, be my guest. If I cough in my house, you go report me to your father. I snore in my bedroom, your father must hear. Go and report me this time. And then we'll know who married you. That's your father and your son.
No, baby, I never said I was going to report you to my dad.
That was what you wanted to say. I put it to you that that was what you were about to say. Nonsense.
I don't know.
Leave me alone.
My love.